Hi, this is a video about the GitHub Copilot MCP server. I have some changes here that I've made in my repo. You can see here what they are. If I take a look with Tortoise Git. So there's a couple of new files here that I've added. And I'm currently on the AI hack after demo with rules branch. Yeah, I want to cancel that. If I look in Git, I can see here AI hack clean with rules is a branch that is here. So what I want to do is create a new branch and push my changes to it. So I can do that the old way, or I can go into VS Code Insiders. I can start my GitHub MCP server. I want to authenticate my account. And then I'm going to go ahead and ask my GitHub Copilot in agent mode using Gemini 2.5 Pro, commit the changes to a new branch called AI hack post. Okay, so I've created the new branch here, AI hack after demo with rules. So I want to commit changes to local branch and push to Git. Okay, if I'm to look at my, got error message there, if I'm to look at my tool set, you can see that I've gone through it and I've changed my settings so that I'm not going to use the MCP Atlassian server tools. I'm going to select the MCP GitHub server tools. So there is a limit on how many tools you can have. I'm also going to turn off the MCP Playwright server rules because I don't need those anymore. I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and try again. What would you like the commit message to be? A clear message of the files which have been added and why they are useful. Okay, so it's telling me what it's going to do. Let's see here the changes that it's making. It's running those commands in my terminal. It's generated a useful descriptive message, giving exactly what I've asked for, and it's pushing that code up to Git. Because I haven't initially set that branch, it's figured out it needs to do that, and it's gonna do that for me. Successfully committed and pushed the changes to the code. If we take a look in GHE, we can now see our branch has been added, AI hack after demo with rules. It's had recent pushes 29 seconds ago, and it's added in the feature and the files that I wanted to change with a useful commit message. Pretty cool, huh? All right, thanks. Bye.